Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can create app folders to organize your Sony Xperia 5 Mark V a bit. For that, we want to press and hold on one app, and then first of all, if you want to move it around, you can just move it around and drop it where you want it to be. When you want to create app folders now, you need to press and hold again and then just drag it on top of another app. Then you have your app here. You can move that around as well by pressing, holding, and then move it around. If you click on it, you can edit the name. We can say hi, and then we have our little app here. We can also put different apps in this folder until, well, your phone says that you need to stop, or maybe there's no limit. I've never gone that far. When we want to take apps out of this folder again, we just need to press and hold and then drag them out of this folder. And then when we have only one app left in this folder, the folder will disappear by itself. So you need at least 2 apps to create app folders to organize your phone a bit. So that's how you can create app folders and move apps around on your Sony Xperia 5 Mark V. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.